Hi, in this video I will show you how you can connect Claude AI to Google Ads account. For example, I have two campaigns. First one is branded campaign and second one is generic. In generic campaign I can easily exclude brand and it will stay generic, but for branded campaigns I have to manually search for generic terms in this account and manually exclude it. So by using Claude AI, I can ask it to find my branded campaign. Here's this branded campaign. It will search for all generic terms here, and I ask Claude AI to exclude all these 108 keywords as exact match negatives to only this campaign. And here you can see the changes were made, so we successfully connected Claude AI to Google Ads account and we can manage our clients using just this interface. And now I will show you step by step how you can connect Claude AI to Google Ads account. First of all, you find links in the description where you will get all these structures. Let's click on Claude.md. For example, we can pull last 30 days of campaign data and tell what's wasting money. We can generate headlines for our campaigns. Basically, we can do everything that we want, just put in correct prompt here. So you have to download Claude Code, it's about 24 euros with taxes. Next one, you have to have Google Ads account, MCC individual and Google Ads API access. I will show you how to get this API access, so you will have token that we can use with Visual Studio Code and Code AI. Then we need Python, a Node.js for MCP servers and VS Code, which I'm using now. So you can download also for free this Visual Studio Code. Only one thing that you want to buy is Claude Code and it's only 24 euros. We have to install Claude Code. We can use VS Code extension. So we open our VS Code, go to extensions here and you search here Claude Code. So here you will have Claude Code. After that, you log in into your account. Remember that you have to have Pro version. After you install it, you will see here this icon where we can use Claude Code. So here we can give all the tasks that Claude AI has to do for our Google Ads account. Step 2 is create your workspace. So here we will create these dedicated folders. You can see all my folders here. So to do that, you can open terminal here or using Visual Studio Code, new terminal, and paste these commands. And your structure will look like this. Here you will have Claude's instruction. Before using every prompt, Claude will look at these instructions. Git ignore will help you to keep your credential out of Git. Here in the system prompts, here we will have agents, frameworks, scripts, reports that we will use in this project. Let's create a Git ignore. So here you will click new file and create git ignore. This will prevent credential leaks. So we paste everything there and let's set up Google Ads API access. This is the most involved step because we will submit a form in Google Ads and Google Ads team will manually review our request. So to do that, we have to go on your MCC level and later on admin API center. Here you won't see basic access, so you will click apply for basic access. So here you will provide information for Google why you want to use this developer token. Make sure you paste here your actual email address, primary website that contains all privacy policy, your company address, because first time Google rejected my request because I didn't have my real company address on my website. So make sure your website is ready to go. Here you will paste information about how you want to use the tool. After week or two, you will get answer from Google Ads team and then you can use API keys. So after we have this developer token, after a week or two, we have to go to Google Console, go to API Services Library and search Google Ads API, click Enable. So let's do this. API Services, let's search for Google Ads API. So here you have Google Ads API. You want to enable it. Let's look for this one, this consent screen. Let's click here. After that, click Audiences, add users. You have to paste here your email. After that, let's go to Scopes and add or remove scopes. And here you want to find Google Ads. So here we will copy this link and paste it. And here you will get this one and click update. And you will have your sensitive scopes here. So we have to create our credentials. So go to API services, credentials. So here, clients, create client. And after you will create your client, you will get secret ID and client ID. Save this information because secret ID will be shown only once. So save this information because we will need it later on. So now we have to create script here, get Google refresh token that will help us to generate our authorization refresh token. So make sure you have Python here and paste this code here, and it will look like this. So you can replace here your actual client ID, client secret from Google Cloud Console that you generated. Here in console, you can paste these commands here. This will open a browser window, sign in with Google account that has access to your Google Ads account. Now we have to store credential on our laptop. We don't want to share these credentials, secret ID, client ID, developer token here in this project. We want to store this information on our laptop. So go to a terminal and paste here this and replace with your developer token, client ID, client secret, refresh token, and UMCC, but without dashes. Only numbers, or your account ID, and also without dashes. Now we want to install Python dependencies. So also in your terminal, paste this one command. Test your connection by running actual query also in terminal. And if you see your account name printed, you are good. If you get an error, check the troubleshooting section at the end. Let's test it. So here you can see connected successfully account and my account name of my MCC account. So create Claude.md, and this file will help Claude understand what tools it has, how to use them, and how your setup looks like. So you just create this folder here, Claude.md, in your workspace, because this one is another workspace, but only in your root folder, not in the folders, but in root folder here. And you paste all this information. Don't paste here your tokens, client ID, because you already stored on your laptop. We won't use it because we have scripts that will check this automatically using your laptop. So it will reduce chance of leaking your confidential information. So only replace this customer ID. So every time you ask it, it will take in consideration this customer ID without dashes. Okay, let's come back. Here, Claude.md. In the next videos, we will talk about MCPs, we will talk about agents, how to create them, we will add them here in this folder. It will show Claude how to do specific PPC tasks, and it will be stored, as I said, here in the system prompts agents folder. Here, for example, we have audit, PPC audit agent, and it will analyze keywords, search terms, add copy, and so on. But for now, you already can use Claude, and for example, let's say, give me analysis for my client as event for quality scores, top 15 best keywords with low quality score. And it will analyze our account. And here you will have all these keywords that has low quality scores. Here we have 1 out of 10, and you can see what's wrong. Landing page is below average, so here we can fix it. We can do some maybe SEO optimization, add keywords to titles, to your body, and so on. And here you will have description and priority action plan, and it's without any script, so we don't have agent and so on. So Claude is using this recommendation without any prompt. So imagine what Claude can do if we add agents and some skills to it. So see you in the next videos. If you like it and if you have any questions, please leave them in a comment section. I will try to help you if you have some problems maybe with setting this up. Bye, and see you in the next videos.